All right, so to briefly explain this a little bit better, I pulled apart a early wartime black, which was 12603004. We'll get to, there's a footnote on these guys later. But basically, this is the 12603001s that they designed that spacer for after they realized it was shorting out. And the second half of the production in 2007 came from the factory with them, but the first half did not. So you have to look between these drivers and see if there's a spacer. And what they did with later run units, there's a recess here. This has been modified. So I don't know if you're going to really be able to see it from this angle, but this is cut further back as opposed to it being flush right here. So there's no way for that to arc over there. This wartime black needs to be redrivered too. So, but I just want to pull it apart and show that there's a recess there. Now, you have to be careful with the wartime blacks. There weren't all that many made, but the factory went back. Someone there grabbed part bins of the original frames for the two wartime black. I want to say it was 0304, 0305. And some had early frames on them on the left side, on the right side, on both, or on neither. And so at the time at Kato, we put in an inquiry to the factory, and they said there were no more than 80 units out there with that because there were only so many frames. But I had gone back and taken all of our dead stock of wartime blacks that hadn't sold at the time. This is 2008, 2009. And yeah, there was most definitely more than that because I personally retrofitted spacers on, I don't know, maybe 80 units. And we had already sold, maybe 1,000 of them. So there's some out there that may still need spacers on them, either on the left side or the right side. The easiest way is just to check and see if that's recessed there. So, yeah, that's that. Yay, GS4s. I've fixed a lot of these in my life. Anywho, here you go.